water, just a little, like this. This is the final look. This is how they look like. Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Abby Stacy. I'm from Kenya, Africa. A very good afternoon to you, a very good morning, good evening, depending on where you're watching me from. So today I'm here in the village and I'm bringing you an amazing video. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified every time that I do post a video. For my returning viewers and subscribers, I'm so grateful. So in today's video, I'll be showing you something very interesting. I'll be showing you how we do clean our sufurias, or our cooking pots, if I may explain it to you so that you can understand. I'll be showing you how we do that using the sand soil. So guys, down here I'm having some sufurias. Maybe I will show, let me show you. So guys, here I'm having my sufurias. You can see some water in a bucket, but I don't have the sand. So guys, let's go so that I can get it and I'll show you the process that is involved. So guys, as you can see, I'm having my sufuria here. It's not clean actually. We are going to wash it, and this is what we're using to wash. This is the sand soil. This is the sand soil, guys. It looks like this. This is how it looks like, and it is used for construction, house construction and all that. You can get it in the river banks. You can get it in a lot of places, guys. So this is what we'll be using to wash our sufuria. I'll only have to scoop a little so that you can start the process. So this is how we do it. So guys, you can notice that it is kind of wet because of the rain. It has been raining, but right now we don't have a lot of rain. So guys, here is my sand soil, and now it's time for me to go and start the process. So let's go. So guys, here are my sufurias. As you can see, I'm having some water in a bucket. So let me put it here and start the process. So here is our sand soil. We just have to scoop a little and put it in these sufurias like this. Don't forget the thumbnail, please. So guys, you add in some little water, just a little, like this. And the process begins. So this is how you scrub. So guys, this is how you scrub. You continue scrubbing until it is clean. even on the outside. After that, you can rinse it a little to see if it's clean, but you can notice it's not yet clean. So I'll continue the process and then I'll rinse. So after scrubbing for quite a while, this is how it is, and now it's time for us to rinse. You can use a piece of cloth, guys, to make it easier, because the sand is very, very rough, and you can also add in some soap. So the first one is done. As you can see, it is done. Now on to the next. You can apply some soap by rubbing it on your hand like this. This is my bar soap. You just rub it on your hand. Continue with the process. But because these ones have been placed on the fire, you know, we use firewood most of the time, and that's why it's this you can see this black thing. It's very, very, very black, and you cannot be able to remove the whole of it, because at the end of the day you'll be taking it back to the fire. So there's no need of me washing on the outer side. I'll only wash it to remove the dirt, but I won't be scrubbing it to be like the inner part. So let's continue. So guys, this one is also done. So this is how it looks like. On to the next. So this one is done, good people. This is how it looks like. On to the next. So guys, finally I'm done, and this is the final look. This is the final look. This is how they look like. This is how they look like, guys. Finally. They are very clean, right? So that is the process that we use here in the village to clean our cooking pots or our sufurias. But you've seen on the lower side we have some salt. That means that the fire that we're using is really not that good. So guys, this is the process that is involved. I hope you've enjoyed. Guys. And if you're in Africa, especially in Kenya, you can try that, or any other part of the East African community, you can try that, and it is very easy. So this is life in Africa, and this is what we have to do. So good people, you've seen this is the process that is involved to make our sufurias as clean as this, and I hope that you've enjoyed the video. So let us meet again in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, and if you haven't subscribed, please do me the favor of subscribing and also turning on the notification. So guys, let's meet in our next video, and peace.